I appreciate y'all staying tuned to my channel and subscribing the ones that y'all did. And if you haven't, please subscribe. You won't miss out on my next videos. We got plenty more construction coming up. We got some seawalls coming up, boathouses coming up, a couple projects I've already posted on. They're in construction. We're finishing those up. I'll get those posted also so you can see what the final product look like. If y'all would subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell. I appreciate that. Any comments you got, please leave them. I'll see if I can't get them answered for you. We're putting new cross ties on here, salt treated material. Can't get bolts in, so we're just doing some lag bolts right now. The water's so high, we're putting our battery powered drills in plastic bags to keep them from getting wet. We got the lower cross tie installed now. It's being held up by the tractor, and we're going to run some stainless steel temporary legs in there right now because that tide's so high. Once the tide drops down, we'll re-drill it and bolt it. Right now with the blues flying right over top our job site. Stainless steel hurricane clips on it, and you can see it actually has ripped the stainless steel clip right in the middle right there, right to both sides. Michael, all the way from Cuba, now famous YouTube star in America.
Here like 4 years ago.
Yeah. This is the 4-foot section of service walk that blew off during a storm. We got it retrieved out of water. Now we're trying to get it strapped up and hoisted back up and put in position. We'll get it clipped back down and bolted back down to the framing. section laid back down and all put together. Got all the hurricane clips on it, blocks on it. Decking screwed back down, looking good. Got both of the sections put back on. Now it's just a matter of getting them all secured together and hurricane clipped. And we'll be ready to get out here and get to our next project. Should have it wrapped up in the morning. Got the last 30-foot section of this eastern side of the dock put back together. Ready to go. Missing a couple deck boards, and that should be showing up here shortly, and we'll get those installed. Went ahead and did a little extra blocking in here because this is very exposed to the wave action. So what I've got is what I call hurricane blocks. We screw those with 4-inch screws to the rough cut cross tie, and also screw it to the framing. We got the end section of this dock completed. It was 30 foot that actually got lifted up. Got her secured back down, all the decking placed back down, so it's ready to be put back into service. Getting the west side of this dock I'll put back together now. Hurricane clipped, hurricane blocks, getting the bolts tightened back up. Should have this wrapped up hopefully in about an hour or so. Tanner's crew has completed their job over here as far as picking up the dock sections and holding the cross ties up while we're getting this thing put back together. They're actually pulling their spuds right now. The spuds are an 8-inch pipe that actually go down to the seafloor bottom and holds the barge in place. You can see he's hooking one right now. They'll pull this up, then they'll be free from the bottom. They're able to push the barge. Those actually help hold us in place whenever we're setting pilings. Spud pipes are about 20 feet long. We're getting ready to go ahead and push this barge on over to the shipyard, get it pulled out. We're going to go ahead and get another coat of paint on it and just try to keep all of our maintenance up to date on these. Jared's putting a 1-inch rod in the hole right there to hold this spud in place as they transport the barge. All right, see you guys later. Smooth sailing. Go fishing. Wait a minute. See you guys later. We got the west end completed now, got all the decking reinstalled. Had to pick up some additional decking to fill in the joints. We've got it completed, put back together. This marina is back in operation. If y'all would, please subscribe to the channel. We got some more projects coming up. A couple jobs that, like I said earlier, that I've been working on. I'm gonna go ahead and get some footage of the completed product on that, and then get them posted so you can see and get started on this next one.